Good morning, welcome viewers. Welcome to Toktoku News Worldwide. Now, Toktoku News brings us valuable information this minute. What are we talking about? Valuable information that are on learning, usefulness, and awareness campaign. Information on health. Every information is outstanding. It's very tremendous. But why we're emphasizing on health is you have to be healthy and okay to eat the money, to shop the money you are making. Now let's look at brain tumors. Brain tumors are the growth of cells at the brain nerve cells at the brain. It can affect the brain tissues. It can affect the brain nerve ending. It's very important to know about brain tumors. Now these brain tumors, we will have benign one, non-cancerous one are benign. Then we also have malignant one. Malignant one is the one that are cancerous. Then the one that spreads all over the body that are called metastatic brain cells. Now these brain tumors, it happens at the nerves or at the membranes of the cells or at the pituitary gland or pineal gland. Now furthermore, we're going to know about this. I have many types of it. They are various, depends on the denominations. You have glial cells, glioma cells, the one have like glial cells. We have embryo cells, what have that happens to children. We have meniomas. This one happens to majorly Africans. The one happens at the spinal cord and all that. Then we have pineal cells, the one at the center of the brain, have pituitary gland and the base of the brain, and many other ones. There are very many. And they also have the choroid. Choroid is a fluid, the one that happens, the fluid that passes, that circulates around the cells. It's very important to know about this. Now, the front of the brain controls what? The front of the brain controls the thinking. That is hypothalamus, thinking, articulating, and all that. Then the base of the brain. Now, this one controls the senses of touches, smell, and all that. Then the back of the brain controls the optic nerve cell, that is vision and all that. Then the lower part of the brain also controls memories and all that. Now, when these have been affected, it affects us well. Now, the signs of it is much headache, too much headache. That's the signs we are seeing. Headache that comes in the morning, headache that comes every time that's severe, every that comes that regularly repeatedly. You have difficulty in speech, you have difficulty in walking, you have nausea and vomiting, you have loss of the balance, can be balance well. Then you cannot be speaking well. Then your arms and leg, movement of arms and leg have been affected. Then you'll be feeling tired every time and hungry. Then you feeling dizziness. Then blood vision, you'll not be seeing well. There are many signs of it. What are these causes? These brain tumors. What causes of it? Now, one majorly is age. Majorly when you're coming of age, it's very important. But the major one is what? Radiation. Radiation, we know about radiation. We have energy beams. Radiation might be from cell, or it might be from what, maybe the metals you are using at the place of work. Keep on having a sense of noise and all that. Maybe when keep on putting your phone on vibration, all that. These are radiations, or airwaves, or explosive chemicals, or bombs, and anything noise. Radiation is very important. These radiations, it affect the gene. When it affect the DNA cells, the DNA cells are the one that multiply the cells. When the cells are over multiplied, that might affect the brain cells. These are where it comes from that DNA, and this is radiation, explosive radiation that causes that DNA. That's the causes of it. Then you have age, you have also race. Majorly in Africans, you have meliomas. Melioma is one that happens to Africans that affects the spinal cord and all that. Then we also have exposed to chemicals, major chemicals. Then cancerous cells, like if from 11 to 12, they are inheriting cancerous cells. We are not telling you that these cancerous cells might cause brain tumor, but what are we going to do in order to do what? In order to stay safe. What we advise is you keep on advising eating fruits and vegetables, engage in exercise. Exercise helps to keep the activeness of the brain, the hypothalamus, everything to be working well. Then eating properly, eating healthy food, carrots, then this cod liver oils and all that. Fish oil, these are the one that helps to synchronize and wash some fluids in that brain so that everything will be sanitized. It's very important to know this. Then if you keep on coming, you go for screening. When you can meet with your doctor to know whether it needs surgery and all that. But the major thing is prevention. If you didn't prevent it well, avoid radiation and all this, it might affect you in the future when you are coming of age, especially during your sixth zone. But what we advise is eat healthy, eat healthy, take enough olive oil, fish oil, sardines, and all that. These are things makes it to lubricate the brain and engage in exercise. Read books, gauge the things that will make you to be active in thinking. If you persist, meet with your doctor. Help us to share this information, let it go viral, and follow us on Tok News worldwide to get more information. Thank you very much.